how to check version and update BIOS in Windows 11. So if you want to check and update your BIOS, then what you need to do is first make sure to press the Windows button and then type in MS Info, or just go for the system information and go with run as administrator and click on yes, and you'll get this kind of interface. And after that, here you will have the BIOS version or date. You just need to simply locate that. And if you don't want to update it, then you can just either have to note it down the version of your BIOS or the version of your laptop, because this is much better if you type in your laptop in the provider's website. You will be given all the drivers that you need. So let's check this out. What you need to do is just go with a default browser, and you can go with your laptop. So for example, I'll be choosing the Lenovo support page, and you just need to simply go with the Lenovo support, or just go with pcsupport.lenovo.com, and you'll get this kind of interface where you can simply search for the PC. So you just need to simply enter your PC model number, and once you enter your PC model number, you'll get your PC right here. So what you need to do is just open it, and after that, if you scroll down, then you need to enter your serial number, and then it will detect your laptop. Once it detects, then you will have an option of drivers and software on the left side. You can simply go with the drivers and software, and from there you'll be able to check the version and update your BIOS. So you will have an option of scan now or select drivers. So you can simply click on those, and you'll have the manual driver update. So you can also go with the other, like if you're using Acer laptop, then you can simply go with the Acer Aspire support, so that you'll get the same kind of interface with your laptop. So that's how you can check version and update your BIOS in your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.